Hi students, my name is Nidesh Narashit. I am from Anara. So last class we are discussing about a topic from 9th standard, that is Heron's formula. In Heron's formula we already discussed about area of triangles. That is, using common formula we discussed about how to solve the situation of finding area of triangle in each and every case of types of triangles. And also we discussed about how to find out area of triangle in each and every case of types of triangles using Heron's formula. So let us move on to the some more problems, and here we have to discuss about situational problems. So let us take one by one. Take the first problem of this video. So you just observe a triangular part is there. It is ABC. So you have to represent as ABC. So here it is ABC. ABC as sides 120 meter, 80 meter, and 50 meter. That is, it's a triangular part. ABC, it's a sides ABC. It's a triangular part, and its sides having a measurement of 120 meter, 80 meter, and 50 meter. Already it is given. And a gardener Dhania has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. That means here she put a fence in it, and also she plant grass inside. Yes. Then how much area does she need to plant? That means how much area so she can plant. So that one we have to find out. That is, we have to find out the area of the triangle, the area of the triangular part. Inside that area, so she has to put a plant. She has to plant a grass. Yes. So then find the cost of fencing it with a barbed wire at the rate of 20 per meter, leaving a space of 3 meter for a gate on side. So here she has to fence around this triangular park, but here is something she can fence with the help of this barbed wire, and at the rate of 20 per meter, 20 rupees per meter. It's a 20 rupees per meter, so leaving a space of 3 meter. That means how much cost she has to pay. That means here with the help of barbed wire she has to fence around this triangular park. Here leaving a space of 3 meter. Here for the gate she leaves some 3 meter area, and remaining part of this triangular park she has to fence. So for that, at the rate of 20 per meter, 20 rupees per meter, how much cost she has to pay? So that one we have to calculate. Yes. So we have to take one by one. That is, firstly we have to find the area, because we have to calculate how much area does she need to plant. So that one we have to find out. That's why. So we have to find out the area of the triangle using Heron's formula. For that we want a perimeter and a value of S. Then, so here the cost of fencing it with barbed wire. So here leaving a space of 3 meter. That means, so here we have to subtract 3 meter from the total perimeter, because when we have to calculate this total cost. Okay, so that's why. So we have to take that one. Yes. So we have to solve this problem. Yes. Firstly, we have to find out the perimeter. What is the perimeter of this triangular part? So firstly, we have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter means we have to add all those measurements. That is 120 plus 50 plus 80. So is equal to 120 plus 80, 200 plus 50, it is 250 meter is the perimeter. So when we have the perimeter, so we can take the semi-perimeter. We can calculate semi-perimeter by dividing it with 2. That is, S is equal to perimeter divided by 2. So what is the perimeter here? It is 250 divided by 2 is equal to 125 meter. So we have the value of S here. So using Heron's formula we can calculate the area of this triangular part, but here just observe, we can take the value of A is equal to 120, value of B is equal to 50, value of C is equal to 80. So using those we can take Heron's formula. That is, consider A is equal to 120 meter and B is equal to 50 meter and C is equal to 80 meter. Yes, so let us calculate the area of this triangular park using Heron's formula. So area of triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c is equal to. So value of s is equal to 125 and value of a is equal to 120, b is equal to 50 and c is equal to 80. Just insert it in this formula. Square root of 125 minus 120, value of a is equal to 120 and value of b is equal to 50, that is 125 minus 50 and value of c is equal to 80, so that's why 125 minus 80 is equal to, so 125 remains as it is and here 125 minus 120 means it's a 5 and 125 minus 50 is equal to 75 and 125 minus 80, 120 minus 80 means it's 40, so that means 125 minus 80 means it's a 45. Yes. So here we have the things 125, 5, 75, 45. So here 5 is there, so here all the things are in the case of 5. So that's why, so we have to split all these things in the form of multiplication of 5. So it is simplified, then it is simplified. Here 25 into 5, so 25 into 5 is equal to 125. 5 remains as it is and 75 can be rated as 25 into 3. 25 into 3. Then 45 can be rated as 9 into 5. Is equal to. Yes. So here 25 is a perfect square. Here also 25 is a perfect square. So here we have two 5s. 225 we have. Inside the square root we have 225. Those two are multiplied. So that means 25 whole square. It becomes 25 whole square. When we take outside, what happens there? It's a 25 only. 25 square. The square root of 25 square means only 25 we can take outside. And then here 2 5s are, 3 5s are there. But here just observe 2 5s are there. Those are multiplied one. So when we take the multiplication, it becomes a perfect square it is. So that's why we can, when we take outside, leaves only 5. So that's why we can take 5. And then, so these two terms over and these two terms over. Here we have another 3 terms. So here just observe 9 we have. So 9 is a perfect square. So we can take outside. When we take 9 perfect square outside from the square root, we have the square root of that term. It is 3. What it remains here? 3 into 5 remains is equal to. So here we have to calculate. So here 25 into 5 means 125. 125 into 3 means, so 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 2, 6, 7. 3 into 1, 3. 375 root 15 meter square. So area of triangle we got here. Area of triangle is equal to 375 square root of 15 meter square. So using this process we can easily calculate with the help, without any calculators we can easily calculate the value of area of triangles. Yes. So here we got the area of triangle. So that means how much area does she need to plant? This one. So 375 root 15 meter square. So the answer for the first question. So that is she needs to plant in an area of, she needs to plant in an area of 375 root 15 meter square. In this area she needs to plant. So that means this is the total area of this triangular park. Yes, so let us move on to the next part, that is second one. Find the cost of fencing it with a barbed wire at the rate of 20 rupees per meter, leaving a space of 3 meter. So here firstly we have to calculate how much distance is there. That means how much the total area, so our total circumference we have, how much total perimeter we have to fence. So for that one, so we have to subtract 3 meter from the total perimeter. So leaving this 3 meter we have to fence here. So that's why, so we have to subtract 3 meter from this total perimeter. So let us take that one. So here I will drop this part. Here we have the total perimeter. Yes. Again we have to write the same thing. So perimeter is equal to 120 plus 50 plus 80 is equal to 250. So that one we have to write, and then the total perimeter for the fence. So that means for the fence, so we have to calculate how much perimeter we want. So in perimeter we have to take that one. That is, so is equal to 250 minus 3. So in total perimeter we have to subtract this 3 meter. So what happens here? It is 247. So 247. So in 247 meter we have to fence the total perimeter. So in 247 meter we have to fence around this triangular part. So 3 meter we have to leave for this gate. Yes. So let us calculate the value of the total cost. So here 247 meter we have. So per each meter, so we have to pay 20 rupees. She has to pay 20 rupees. So here there are 247 meters we have. So for 1 meter we have to pay 20 rupees, means 247 meter we have to pay 247 into 20. That is total cost is equal to 247 into 20. So what's the answer here? So 4 and 1 remains 9 and 4 and 0 we have 4940 rupees. So total cost is equal to 4940 rupees. That means, so to fencing it needs 4940 rupees here. So that means here totally 247 meter we have. So to fence, and 3 meter we have to leave for this gate, and for the fencing, so we need 4940. That means she has to pay 4940 rupees. That is 4940 rupees for this fencing. So this is the solution of this problem. Firstly, we have to find out the total area. That is total area. So in how much area she has to plant. So in that case, we have to calculate the area of triangle, and here we have to calculate the total cost at the rate of 20 meter per second, for 20 rupees per meter, leaving a space of 3 meter. So we have to find out the cost of fencing. So here we got the value of total cost. It is 4940 rupees. That is, she has to pay 4940 rupees for fencing. So here it is the solution of this problem. So this is the situation like problem. Sometimes here triangular part we have, so like that. So but whatever the thing we have here, so here we need some triangle and some sides of the triangle, and total perimeter we want, and then area of triangle we have to calculate, and using perimeter we can calculate the total cost here. So that means which one we want, and according to the problem it changes. So let us take the next problem. Yes, let us take the second problem. Here we have the triangular side walls of the flyover. Here we have the flyover, so we can see in the big cities. So this flyover has this triangular part at one part. So here this one we can use for the advertisement. This one we can use for the advertisement. The side of this triangular wall is 122 meter, 120 meter and 22 meter we have here. And the advertisement yields an earning of 5,000 rupees per meter square. Per meter square area. So the company has to pay 5,000 rupees per year. In a year, so per meter square, whatever the company they can hire, so they have to pay 5,000 rupees. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much did it pay? That means a company is hired that wall for 3 months. How much cost they have to pay? So we have to find out. Firstly, we have to find the perimeter. So from that one, we have to find out the area. So from the area, so we have to find out for 3 months how per meter how much they have to pay, and then we have to calculate for the total area of this triangular wall. So let us take that one. Firstly, we have to find out the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 122 plus 120 plus 22. So what's the answer here? So here 122. So here means 4 and 6, and here it is 264. And that is correct? Yes, 264. So 264 meter we have the perimeter. It is 2s. So we already know that s is equal to a plus b by c by 2. That means when we transpose this 2 here, it becomes 2s. That is s is equal to 264 divided by 2. S is equal to 132 meter. And here the value of a is equal to 122 and b is equal to 120 meter and c is equal to 22 meter. And then we have to find out the area of this triangle. So area of this triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c is equal to. So what's the value of s here? So value of s is 132. Is equal to 132 into. So 132 into, so here we have 132 minus 122. 132 minus 122. Then here 132 minus 120. 132 minus 120. Then, so here 132 minus 22. 132 minus 22 is equal to square root of. Here it is 132 remains as it is. Then 132 into 22 it is 10 into. Here 132 minus 120 means it is 12 into 132 minus 22 means it is 110. Yes. So here the square root of. Here it becomes 132 into 10, 1320. And then here just observe 12 into 0, 0. 12 into 1, 12. So remaining it is 1. 12 into 1 plus 1, 1320. Here we have 1320 into 1320 into 1320. So we can write 1320 whole square. Square root of 1320 whole square, it is 1320 meter square. So we have the area of this triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 1320 meter square here. Yes. So let us move on to the next part. That is, we found out the area of triangles. The per meters. Here there are 1320 meter square we have. So the total area of this triangular part, it is 1320 meter square. But here just observe, a company has to pay the triangular side wall. They have the earning of 5,000 rupees per meter square. 5,000 rupees per meter square per year it is. So that means we have to find out, we have to multiply 5,000. So then we can get the value of total earning in a year. But the company has hired for one of its wall to the 3 months, only 3 months. So we have to find out the cost of this triangular park in terms of per meter in 3 months, per meter square in 3 months. So for that, what I have to do? Here just observe. So per year, earning per year, it is 5,000 rupees. Earning per year, it is 5,000 rupees. In a year, how many months are there? 12 months are there. So that means, so earning in 12 months means it's a 5,000 years. Then 1 month, what about 1 month? Then we have to transpose this 12 months. In the 12 months, we have to transpose this 12. So here we can take earning in 12 months. We can take another step. Okay. So here earning in 12 months is equal to 5,000 rupees. Per year, per 12 months, it is both are same because in 1 year 12 months are there, that is 5,000 rupees. So that means here I want in 1 month. How to calculate that one? So we can transpose this 12 here. Earning in 1 month. Earning in 1 month is equal to 5,000 divided by 12. 5,000 divided by 12. Then here we want earning in 3 months. How much it earns in a 3 months we have to find. For that we have to multiply 3 in the LHS side and the RHS side. That is earning in 3 months. What happens? 5,000 into 3 divided by 12. So 3 into 1 and 3 into 4 we have. So here we can easily divide. That is 4. So here let us take the earning. Earning in 3 months is equal to, earning in 3 months is equal to here 4 into 12. 4 into 12. Or we can take 1 by 1. 4 into 1. 1 remains. 4 into 2. 8. 2 remains. 4 into 5. 20. And 0 we have 1,250 rupees. That means here 1,250 rupees per meter square it is. Per meter square in 3 months. But here how many meter squares are there? 1,320 meter square are there here. So that means for 1,300, so here it is per meter. So it is per meter it is. So in 1,320 meter square, so total earning, total cost is equal to 1,320 into 1,250. So that one we have to calculate here. Yes. So we have to find out the answer. So when you take this multiplication, so you have to take that multiplication totally. So here what happens here, just observe 1,250. Okay, so here just neglect 0 here, 125 into 0, 0 and 125 by 2. So then 250 and here 0 we have, so 25 remains and 125 into 3 means, so you have to take that same procedure here. So whatever we have and it is, so the answer will be 16,50,000 rupees. 16,50,000 rupees will be the answer we can found out. We have that one. So here this company has to pay 16,50,000 rupees in 3 months. In 3 months that company has to pay here. So this is the solution of this problem. So firstly we have here just observe 5,000 rupees per meter square. So here we have to be careful about that one because per meter means it's a perimeter, only the perimeter. So when that one is a perimeter, here the company has to hire, that is company has to put some advertisement. So advertisement means its total area that wanted. So they want the total area. That means, so here we have the meter square. So when we have the meter square, it belongs to the area of triangle. And when we have meter, it's only because of perimeter. When we have the fence, the same case arises, means it's a perimeter. It depends on the perimeter. But here we have the meter square, means it's based on the area of triangle. We have to multiply with the area of this triangle here. So that's why. So it's a, in total area of this triangle, they have to pay 16,50,000 rupees. So in a 3 months, only in a 3 months, that company has to pay this much rupees. I hope you understood these things. So let us take some of the homework. Take some homework here. So here, just observe, there is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some colors with a message, keep the park green and clean. There is a park and here there is a slide. It means some notification and some rules. So they are pasted or they are painted like this. So here there is a slide wall. In that they just painted a rules, that is keep the park green and clean. That one. Yes. So here only the situation, the first statement, it is only the situation. That is, there is a slide in a park, one of its side wall has been painted in some colors with a message, keep the park green and clean. So that means this, whatever this part we have, so that one is only the painted. So keep the park green and clean, that one is only painted. Yes. So if the walls are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, that means the side wall, that is, so here these three sides having a measurement of 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter we have. Yes. Then here we have to find the area of painted in colors. That means, so here we have to find the area of this part, that is this triangle. We have to find out here. So easily, so that is already we know about the sides of these walls, and with the help of the walls we can find out the area of the triangle using Heron's formula. So I hope you understood these things. So it's a last part of this Heron's formula. So I hope you understood all the things. Those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification of our channel very easily. Also hit the like button. Thank you and all. Be safe and stay home. Thank you.